Good morning dear students. So let's start our next class. So today we are going to study from question number 3 of 13.1. So the question number 3 is in question 2 above, if one part of red pigment requires 75 milliliter of base, how much red pigment should be mixed with 1800 milliliter of base? So in the previous question we studied about that one part of red pigment require for 8 part of base. So in this question one part of red pigment required 75 milliliter of base. So in 1800 milliliter of base, what is the total quantity of red pigment required? So let's see the solution. Let the part of the red pigment required to mix with 1800 milliliter of base be X. Now the given information in the form of table is as follows. Firstly we have to write the data in this table. Part of red pigment will be 1 and the base will be 75, and base is given 1800, but we do not know about the red pigment, so we have to find it. So according to the direct proportion, 1 upon 75 is equal to x upon 1800. So cross multiplication will be there. 75 will be multiplied with 7x and 1800 1800. Now x is equal to 75 upon 1000 and it will divide and we get x is equal to 24. That means 24 part of red pigment should be mixed with 1800 milliliter of the base, and that's all the solution of the question number 3. Now the next question is question number 4. A machine in a soft drink factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. How many bottles will be filled in 5 hours? Okay, so 840 bottles in 6 hours. So we have to find the number of bottles filled by the soft drink factory in 5 hours. Okay, so data will be 840 bottles in 6 hours and number of bottle will be X in 5 hours. So the data is given in the direct proportion. Okay, so the fraction will be 840 upon 6 as per the table you can see 840 upon 6 and is equal to x upon 5. Now by cross multiplication 6 into x, 6x, 8 into 840 into 5 will be there. 6 will be transformed from LHS to RHS, from multiplication to division form. Now it will divide, the product of 840 and 5 will be 4200 and 6 will divide 6 7 is 42. That means x is equal to 700. So 700 bottles will be filled in 5 hours, and that's all the solution of the question number 4. Now the question number 5. A photograph of a bacterium enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 cm as shown in the diagram. What is the actual length of the bacterium if the photograph is enlarged 20,000 times only? What would be the enlarged length? So this is the data which is given in the question. 50,000 times attains at a length of 5 cm. This is the diagram which is given as per the question. 50,000 times attains at a length of 5 cm. So we have to find what is the length of the bacteria if we enlarge the same photograph by 20,000 times only. So the data we have to write in the table. Length of the bacterium in centimeter is equal to 5 and the number of times of photograph of the bacterium was enlarged. So 50,000 number of bacteria enlarged in 5 centimeter. So we have to find for the value of 1 and for the 20,000 times. Okay, so let's see the solution here. This is in the direct proportion because 5 to 50,000 and 1 will be multiplied to that particular number which we obtain from the direct proportion. So this will be the direct proportion. So 5 ratio 50,000 is equal to x ratio 1 and it will be cross multiplied to each other and we have to find the value. X is equal to 1 upon 1000 because 50,000 will be transfer from LHS to RHS, multiplication to division, and 5 will divide 50,000 by 1000 times, and this is the formula by a's power m is equal to a's power minus n, so 10's power 4, and if we convert this denominator to the numerator, it will convert it to the negative exponent. Hence the actual length of the bacteria is 10's power minus 4. Now for the 20,000 times we have to find the data. So similarly 5 upon 50,000 is equal to y upon 20,000. We found the value of the 1 and the x. After that we have to find the value of 20,000. So cross multiplication, and 20,000 will be multiplied with 5. It will become 1 lakhs, and 50,000 will be multiplied with y, and it will become 50,000 y. Now y will is equal to 50,000 will be going to the denominator, and it will divide by 2 times. Hence the enlarged length of the bacterium is 2 centimeter, and that's all the solution of the question number 5. Now the question